Alright, welcome back again. So here we are, we're 9.7. According to this, we need to define a recursive function named insert that expects an index, so it's going to have a parameter come in of index and a Lisp-like list as arguments. So we've got index, an item, and we'll say list. The function returns a list in which the item is inserted at a given index position. Okay, so let's see if they've created some space for us here. Contains get length. Remove. No, they haven't created one for us. So let's go just do what we got to do from scratch. I have to define it, and they said call it insert. And we've got to give it index parameter. Item, they said, and that list that we've already been using. Now, this thing, they said it returns a list in which the item is inserted at a given index. Now, that index is going to need to be greater than or equal to 0, and it needs to be less than the length of the list. So it's the same thing here. All right. Same concept is taking place on the remove. So I'll tell you what, this remove is real close to what we gotta do. So I'm going to copy this and okay. Just change that from removed to inserted. And if index is equivalent to 0, I want CONS, and it's going to be item, comma list. Same thing here. Do item here as well, and that's our insert function. Similar to remove, we're just doing our thing. Now, oh, we got a problem here. We've got this remove, it's insert actually. So that's our recursive. It's calling itself. So conceptually identical to the remove, we're just doing it with insert, and we're swapping what's happening here. And we've got to have that item in between. So with that said, let's see if it likes what we did, if we've got to make any modifications to it, or do anything somewhere else. We may have a call. No, they didn't require any call to that function because it's just calling itself the way it's set up. They don't actually call that insert function anywhere. They're not using it. Did evaluate it and said we're all good, that we did what we needed to do. They tested it. So we're good there. So there's an insert that is a recursive insert. It's the same as this remove is. Okay? So there's 9-7. We'll see you 9-8.